Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kim, America's Holistic Foot Doctor. In this video, you'll meet my patient who presented with thick, severely curved nails. Let's see how I can cut these black and curved nails. No, okay. But you told me that you haven't had your nails cut like over a year now?
Something like that.
Yeah, it's been a while, huh?
At my age, my time is, when I think back on different eras of my life, I either it's too long ago or it just
kind of blends in, huh?
right.
Yeah. But these are not painful for you? Put shoes on? These nails right here.
Well, they get too long because they rub up against the shoe.
Yeah, because they're going west. Look at this one. Huh? Ram's horn. You see how, like that? Wow. That's quite the nail right there. They usually become painful because you can't jam it into the shoe, right?
Right. When the shoe is too tight, then I'll feel some pain.
Yeah. Do you walk a lot?
Not as much as I should.
Yeah, because of the knee, or?
No, because I'm 88 years old.
Oh yeah, you're up there. But you look good.
I feel good.
You look good.
My wife and I are, just us. And she has short bowel syndrome. She almost died from this surgery that she had, but she doesn't get around as much as she used to. So I tend to do physical. I walk more because I'll do things for her.
Oh, I see. You do a lot of housework too?
Not as much. Well, I have a house cleaner.
Oh, you have a cleaner come. So she's sick? She's able to cook or no?
Well, she's diabetic, so what our kids have done is one of them, they make these meals for us, and we freeze them, and we just thaw them out and use them as needed.
Oh, I see.
But we're restricted from eating things we shouldn't.
Wow, look at this little round thing. It's digging into your skin, you see, right here. That must hurt. You have to be careful on these things, yeah? Because they can kind of pinch into the skin and cause infection, you know what I mean? Yeah. So now you're here, so you should come like every couple months, okay? Yeah. I'll be nice to you. Okay. And then we're gonna send these samples to see if you have fungus, okay? And then I'll give you some medication to put on this thing, okay? So that should be able to soften up and help you. Unfortunately, at this stage, this may not get the fungus all better, you know what I mean? But we just have to maintain it, you know? So how long you and your wife been married?
We've been together, 64, 65 years.
65 years. Wow.
I'm 6 years old. I'm 88. She's 82.
Oh, is that right?
And
you got a youngster.
We got together when she was 16.
Really? Wow. Then you were in your 20s. You're bleeding a little. Okay, here.
Yes.
You're in your 20s and she was only 16?
Right.
Wow. She was a young baby, huh?
Yes.
Back then. Let me retrieve your nail here because we're gonna send it to the laboratory, right? So, wow, another ram's horn right here. It was hiding. You see this thing, Odie?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, look at how. Yeah, it's digging into your skin right here. It's kind of dangerous, you know. Okay, all right, and then I'm gonna grind it down. You have some calluses here. I'm gonna clean up a little bit too. You have some here, some there. So let me clean that up a little bit for you as well. Does that hurt you right here?
No.
And the tip of it? Yeah. So how many kids you have?
3.
Oh, 3? Grandkids?
Between 9. I lose count.
A lot, huh? Are they all locally here?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, well, that's good. So when you get together, it's a big family.
Yeah, it's grown.
Yeah, it's still growing, huh?
My first grandson is 40 years old.
Oh, is that right? Oh my God. How many great grandkids?
One right now.
Huh? Oh, really? Oh, wow. Just one. So just starting the great grandkids. Hi, it's me again. Hope you've been enjoying this video so far. If you have, leave the word curved nails in the comments below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So were you in the hospital when the doctor referred you to me?
No, I can say my son works there at Toenails.
Uh-huh.
And
Oh, at the hospital.
the Toenails hospital, it's a psych hospital.
Right.
It's a Dr. Patty.
And she's the one that said to come see me?
Yeah.
Really? She's a psych doctor?
I don't know what kind of a doctor is.
Oh, she is? Okay.
But,
Is that her last name, or do you know her last name?
Patty is P-R-A-T-T-Y.
Yeah, Pratty.
Dr. Patty.
Oh, okay. That's a Pratty.
My son's been there about 30 years already.
Oh, is that right? Oh, wow. He's a big wig there, huh? Right? Yeah. I know you had, when was your last knee surgery? Was it a while ago?
Oh, geez. I called him, he's still not up here to Long Beach, right up the street here.
Uh-huh.
And I called you, I was wondering how long ago I had it done, but they didn't have the records there anymore.
Oh, it's been a while then.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's been 20 years.
Yeah. I know you look great and everything, but I think you need to walk more, stay more active, you know?
Oh, that's the answer.
Okay. You're gonna be 90 in a couple years? You're gonna be 90 in a couple years, huh? Right? 90.
I have a 90-year-old sister.
Oh, is that right? Wow. She pretty healthy?
I think so.
Wow. So that's good. Genetically, you guys are strong. Right? Not many people make it to the 90s. Right? Your sister's pretty healthy?
Yes.
Hmm?
Still gets around.
Yeah? What's her secret? What is your secret?
Have the right parents.
Have the right parents, yes. Well, that's usually the number one secret, they say. Unfortunately, you can't choose that, but you know what I'm saying? I have a doctor who sees a lot of seniors. You know what he told me after 40 years of practice? He told me, I said, genetics are the most important about aging or longevity, he said. Because if your parents live long, you have a really good chance of living long. That's what he told me. After 40 years of seeing patients. That's something, huh?
I don't know. My dad died when he was 56.
Was that right? How about your mom?
It was some kind of medical problem. My mom was about my age, I think.
About 88?
Something like that.
I see. See? So your sisters outlived both of them, huh? You guys are doing something good. You have to overcome the genetic thing. You know what I mean? Alright, I'll do a little bit more here. Get some sharp edges off that. Oh, is that hurting?
My phone is very happy.
Okay. Alright. Alright, very good. Alright, Ori.
Is there any cream or things like I should do? Because I don't do any skincare things like that.
Oh, you don't? Yeah. We'll get you some softening cream for the skin. and then we wait for the lab results and give you medication for the nails, okay? All right. Good seeing you, and then I'll see you soon, okay? Thank you for watching this video. As you can see in this video, some fungal nails become curved and black. These curved nails are dangerous because they can dig into your skin and cause infection. Until then, be educated, get empowered, encourage others today.